Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to create iQIYI account. So iQIYI is a popular Chinese online video platform with a large streaming library. So in order to create the account, what you have to do is launch open the application iQIYI. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here iQIYI application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for login now. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the login options over here. In order to register for your account, tap on the option register that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you'll be able to sign up for your account. All you have to do is simply provide your email or mobile number. So simply type in your email or mobile number over here. Now after you provide that, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here a verification code will be sent to your email. What you have to do is open Gmail. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. Make sure you're logged into your account. Over here you'll be able to see the email sent by iQIYI. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to see the security verification code over here. Memorize this code. Now go back to the iQIYI application. Now what you have to do is enter that code over here. Simply enter the code. Now you'll have to create a password for yourself. Your password must contain 8 to 20 characters. It must be a combination of at least 2 of the letters, numbers and punctuation. So simply create a password for yourself. Now after you create the password, what you have to do is check on this option. Login indicates you agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Now tap on the done option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here your sign up has been successful. You'll have to complete your profile. If you do not want to do it right now, tap on the skip option. Now you can see over here your account will be created. So that is how you create iQIYI account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.